Hi Raymond, this is a 2022 Ram with an 6.5 foot bed. It also has powder coated bumpers with sensors, wheel flares on them, and it's a 6-cylinder engine with a sport hood. V6 3.6 liter Pentastar. It has a powder coated front bumper as well. This is in great condition and has a 0 weather package, which gives you heated seats, heated steering wheel, 56341, sorry, 6 passenger seating, deluxe seating, so it is equipped with a power seat, and it has fold flat storage as well. We have other trucks, really nice condition. However, they are crew cabs, and they all have a 5.7 box, unlike this quad cab, which will give you a 6'4" box. Thanks, Raymond.